Yo, what is good? What is good? Let's get it. Happy New Year to everybody, man. I hope this year is filled with crazy, mad, friggin' wealth, success, happiness, abundance, man. Because y'all all deserve it. You feel me? So I'm gonna dive straight into this, man, because I've been using a strategy lately that has been killing it for me. This is definitely a great strategy that you can use pretty much for anything, trading regular Forex on your MetaTrader account or doing this and trading binary. I tend to like to use it using PocketOption because I've noticed that with other brokers, with their candle charts, they're not as accurate as I would like them to be for some reason. So I tend to only use this on PocketOption, but you can also use this once the markets open up and you're able to look at TradingView and everything. This is also a similar way that I trade regular Forex as well. So let's dive into this, man. This is simple. This is so simple, right? So what we're doing here is we've got two horizontal lines, right? They're going to be your support and your resistance lines. Look, we're going back to the basics of Forex here, right? So what I look for is a bullish candle, right? The most recent bullish candles right here. So what we're going to do, you're going to put your line at the low of your most recent bullish candle. This is going to be your support, right? It's going to be your support, okay? Then for your resistance line, it's just going to be the high of your most recent bearish candle. So let's wait for this to close. Okay, that closed as a bearish candle. So we're going to put our line at the top of that bearish candle, right? And then all you're doing, this is where your patience comes in, right? All you're doing is you're waiting for price to break and close above your resistance line or below your support line, right? If it breaks above your resistance line, right, you're going to go in for a 3-minute buy, right? If it breaks above this resistance line, we're going in for a 3-minute buy, right? But when it comes to time expiration, I like to have my time on digital trading. That way it lines up with the time expiration of the candles, right? So 3-minute, and then we're always going to be looking on our 5-minute time frame, right? Our 5-minute time frame, right? So if it breaks above and closes above your resistance line, you're going in for a 3-minute buy. If it breaks and closes below your support line, we're going in for a 3-minute sell. That's pretty much the strategy in a nutshell, to be completely honest with you. I have this RSI down here, and if you click on this pencil, my period is 4. That's just because that's a number that I learned from my mentors, a number that has gained me success in these markets. So I continue to use it because if it ain't broke, don't fix it. You feel me? But oh man, yo, I'm a goof. But this is where your patience comes in, man. You're just waiting for price to break and close above or below your support or resistance line, right? Then I have this RSI, and if it's crossing up either your red line, your 50, or your blue line, you know that's a good confirmation for a buy as well. If it's crossing down, you know it's a good confirmation for a sell, right? Simple as that. Whew, sheesh, I was not sniffing my armpit. I thought I was about to sneeze. But that's pretty much, you know, what we end up doing for the most part is I just, you know, it's just a matter of patience and just waiting, right? Now, there may be times where, you know, say like right here, say you'd see this bullish candle break the high of your bearish candle, right? So then you would go in for a 3-minute buy. But what happens if you go in for that 3-minute buy and it doesn't clear, right? As you can see, we have pretty much, you know, kind of a doji candle right here. And you'll be like, well, it didn't clear. Now what? I'll wait for that to close. When the next candle opens, I'll go in for another 3-minute buy, right? Right? It's just like a rollover feature. But since PocketOption doesn't have that, we just have to enter another trade, right? So this is where also knowing your trading plan and how to use proper risk management comes into play as well, right? So I will work on showing you how that all works out. In the meantime, we will look for some setups. So right here, we got about a minute and a half before this candle closes. So we'll see how this closes. If it closes above this 591 area, we're gonna go in for a 3-minute buy. Why? Because it is breaking and it would have closed above our previous resistance line, right? And also you come down to your RSI, boom, you see the RSI, it's crossing up that line, right? I'm telling y'all, this is just typical fundamentals, right? And then you're just patient. Now, I'm gonna show you a couple of tricks and little tips and tricks that I do when it comes to trading binary as well. As far as like if I see this is about to break and close, say like there's 5 seconds left, right, and it's way above this line. Once it gets to 1 second, I'm entering my trade because of the delay, because of the latency, right? If you wait for the candle to close and then you enter the trade, you may not get a good entry because price may go, say you're going for a buy right here, price may shoot up as soon as the candle opens, and you may get into your trade maybe 5 to 10 points above where your new candle opened, right? And we all know that you can lose a trade by 1 point, right? So that's just one of the little tricks that I like to do. So we got about 5 seconds left, and we'll see how this is playing out, right? 2, 1, then I'll click, right? And I'm in there, right? I'm in there. Now, if this comes back down, like I expected it, I'm gonna raise my trade amount. I'm gonna go in for another 3-minute buy, right? Another 3-minute buy, right? And I may go in for one more, just for now. We'll keep it like that. And then we're gonna sit here and we're gonna wait it out. We're gonna trust our trade, right? And if they do not clear, then we're just gonna go in for one more 3-minute buy, right? And it's as simple as that. Now, because this is a demo account, obviously, as you can see here, a real account, I'm not risking $500, $800, $1,000, right? But this is, my demo account just to see, what would happen and the possibilities of what will eventually happen, right? Because we're speaking this into existence, right? Much wealth and abundance this year and all the years to come, you feel me? So we're going to just wait this out, right? We're gonna wait this out. So what I will also do when I show you, sometimes like I would change this time expiration. I'll drop it down to 2 minutes when this hits 2 minutes and 30 seconds, when your time expiration hits that. And then when it hits 1 minute and 30 seconds, I'll drop it down to 1. That way, say your trade's in profit the whole time, right? Trade's in profit, and then say that it drops out of profit, right? So say that it shot down like this, and you have 2 minutes, like 2 minutes and 15 seconds left, right? Well, you don't want to go in for another 3-minute trade, right? Because you want your time expiration to match the expiration of the candles, right? So then I would drop it down to the 2 minutes and make sure it matches the expiration, which you can see the expiration up here, and then you can enter. So right now you see, it matches that. Matches the time expiration of the candles right now. Once it hits 2:30, I'm gonna drop it down to 2 minutes, right? And I may enter another one because we got about 30 seconds to clear these trades. It doesn't look like they're gonna clear, so I'm gonna do that. So we just went in for a 2-minute buy, right? 2-minute buy. Just because price was really out of profit, and it doesn't hurt to stack your trades as long as you use your proper risk, right? As long as you use your proper risk. So we're just gonna do that. I'm actually gonna bring you to this line chart, right? So all right, so we cleared 1 out of 3, right? Cleared 1 out of 3. Oh, and look, it just spiked up at the last minute. That's nasty. nasty. But see, that's what happens. This is why you accept the risk and you're okay with it, and you're just like, yo, it's fine. So you see here we got about, roughly I want to say about a minute and a half. Yep. And that we entered that as a 2-minute trade, right? Entered that as a 2-minute trade. Why did we do that? Because time expiration was below 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So we changed the expiration to 2 minutes, right? So right now, the time expiration is at below 1 minute and 30 seconds, right? So we would drop our time expiration to 1 minute, right? So say that, price ended up dropping below this line, we could essentially go in for another 1 minute pop, right? So that way our time expiration lines up with the time expiration of our candles. Like, that's literally all what we want to do here, is have that time expiration line up with our candles, right? All right. So, however, if it ends up passing this line, this is the last 30 seconds, right? We're not even going to enter. Right? We're just gonna leave. We're gonna leave it, right? We're trusting our trade, right? That's what it's all about, is trustyourtrade.com, which is funny because I had somebody hit me up the other day and was like, hey man, that link that you posted didn't work. And I'm like, what are you talking about? It's like, trustyourtrade.com. Yo, I got a kick out of that today, man. But yeah, so it looks like we are going to clear this trade. We got about 15 seconds left, 10 and counting, right? Looks like we are going to clear this trade. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You know the vibes. You already know the vibes. I'm telling y'all, yo, this is what I do. This is what I do. This is what I do. You feel me? You feel me? All right. So we're going to come back here. Okay. We're going to put our resistance line at the top of our most recent bearish candle and put our support line at the bottom of our most recent bullish candle, right? Wait for price to break and close above 1. Okay, and we're just gonna do the same thing. This is literally what I do. I set, an hour out of the day, if that, right? And I just do this, right? Once I hit my goal, I'm out of the market. I hop on my demo, right? If I hit, my loss, then I'm out of the market. There's no reason in revenge trading trying to make back your losses, because you'll always live to trade another day. No, this can get addicting. At first this felt like a video game to me, so I wanted to be on it all the time, but you can't do that, man. You can't burn yourself out with this. You have just got to you've just got to be patient, man. You've just got to stay disciplined as well and stick to your plan, man. Like, what's the point of having a plan if you're not even going to follow it, right? You say if you fail to plan, you plan to fail, but how are you going to plan but you fail to follow your plan? What? Come on, yo. And look, the only reason I'm saying this is because, like, I'm guilty of it, right? I'm guilty of it, right? So, I just wanted to share this wealth, share this knowledge that I have, man, because this has been making me money, man. I've actually been pretty successful doing this, man. And I've just been trying to, I said the T word. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I'm so sorry. Don't worry, I'll do my push-ups. Man. For any family that are watching this, man, don't worry. I'm gonna knock out my push-ups. Ain't no thing with a chicken wing. You feel me? So, it looks like price broke and closed above this. So I want to go in for a 3-minute buy. See what happens. Just see what happens here. Just because this previous resistance, price broke and closed above it. However, this RSI is crossing down right now, but we're going to let this play out, right? See what happens, right? See how this candle closes, right? Oh, shit. That's a drop, right? That's a drop. All right, so we got silver and Brent right now. So while I'm waiting on that, I'll do my push-ups. I will show y'all, like, we don't say the T word around here. We don't try, we just do. You feel me? So, I think I did 10. I can't ever keep count ever. I just do push-ups, man. I think those are my favorite. I gotta find something else to do. So I stopped saying the T word because I like doing push-ups low key. So looks like we're pretty close. We got about a minute and a half left in this trade, right? A minute and a half left in this trade, and we are in profit right now. All right. This is a big drop, big drop. All right, so this breaks and closes. We are going to go in for a 3-minute sell, This breaks and closes, right? So here, look, we are deep in profits. Deep in profits, baby. We're gonna go to this line chart to show y'all. Yes, sir. You know the vibes. Deep in profits. This was our entry, right? Sheesh. Is it silver? Is the other one we were looking at? I believe. Yep, silver. All right, so we want silver to stay below 565. Oh yeah, silver's deep. Silver's deep. Look, and it's close. He's about to play with us. See, essentially, I should have gotten it down here. That would have been a safer bet, but I got it a little bit too late. So it's okay if we don't clear this. I just wanted to see what would happen. This is where trustyourtrade.com comes in, right? Right, you got about 5 seconds. Come on, stay up for me, baby. Oh, we cleared it, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Now we go in for a 3-minute sell here. Wait for it to pull back a little bit. Pull back a little bit. Yep. Yep. Pull back just a little bit more. A little bit more. Be nice if it hit like this 544 area. This 544 area. Come on. Come up. Just a little bit. Yep. Now we're in. We're in for a 3-minute sell, right? 3-minute sell. And I just kind of want to just show y'all this. Like, I'm not going to do a lot of trades. I mean, y'all, hopefully y'all understand, you know, the strategy is very, very, very simple. Very simple. You're just marking off the top of your most recent bearish and the bottom of your most recent bullish. So as you see here, this bearish candle formed right here, right? So I would just drop my resistance line to the high of this next bearish candle, right? And I would do that. Now, let's see here, right? See if this comes up a little bit more. May go in for another one, another sell, just to be safe, right? Just to be safe, right? Comes up. Go. Yes, mama. Yeah. Is that right? We out here making money in minutes. You feel me? Yeah, see, she feels me. Yes, I talk to my cat. You out here making money in minutes. Ain't that right? Yeah, I know. Hi, mama. What's up, mama? This is Nala. This is my baby. She be chilling and watching me make bags in minutes. You feel me? You feel me? When I first got her, yo, like, she would wake me up literally at 3:34 in the morning, every morning, right? Every single morning. And low key, like, I was upset at first, but then I realized that, like, that's where the big moves were, especially in London session. So I was like, okay. Then we became friends. I got another baby too. She's a little bit of a butthole, but she just came over because she's jealous. She ain't been around me all day, but as soon as I started petting Nala, all of a sudden she wants to come over too. You know how that goes. Little siblings and everything. But we in profit. We in profit. We got about a minute left on this trade, man. A minute left. So see how this plays out, man. See how this plays out. Right. Sit down, stop playing with me. TrustYourTrade.com, you feel me? Let's get it, man. I hope y'all are having a good new year, good start off to your new year, right? Because, man, this year is about to be something insane. You feel me? Something insane. Stop playing like you want to go up, because you know you want to go down. You're just trying to mess with our emotions. And understand, we don't got emotions when it comes to this market. You feel me? You feel me? Yep, look, and it touched our entry, and it's going back down, because you already know what time it is. You know what time it is. Cleared. Let's go, baby. That's the strategy, yo. That's it. That's all I do. That's all I do. All right. So if y'all got any questions about this strategy, man, about, anything when it comes to this, hit me up. I hope this was helpful for y'all. Let's kick ass this new year, man. Get these bags, literally ride these bags, because you know what time it is. It's time to get all the way to the top, because it's getting way too claustrophobic and crowded at the bottom. You feel me? Let's go. Sheesh.
This is an original instrumental.